Day 25. You see what we're working with today. It's rainy. It's nasty out. Feels good though. It's been a while. I figured we'd get a 3.1 done together. Today was a good day. Caught another early 6:15 workout class. Abs and cardio. We killed it. Just like we're about to on this 3.1. Just wrapped up a mile, so I figured I'd take a little breather. 11-minute pace, and that's taking a phone call and walking half of it. I hope everybody's feeling good. Let's get it. Mile 2. 23 minutes. Feels good. Soaking wet. Almost done. And that's it. The 3-1 has been done. Soaking wet. But again, feel amazing. I'm glad I'm out here. A little ways left to the house, but I may look crazy out here. I feel like I look crazy out here. But let's be realistic for a second. This is why I run. The day's almost over. Work-wise, we're done. Kids are home. Time to get them to them practices. Meet up with the wife for dinner. It may be 8, 9 o'clock before I get back home. Am I gonna come out here and do these miles that I said I would do each and every day for the next 30 days? Do I really want to put myself in that position to honestly set myself up for failure? It's raining. But this is the only time I had, and it was just enough. 3.1 today is done in 37 minutes and some change. I'll drop a screenshot. And we're about to move on to the next thing. The next errand on today's to-do list. Because the rest of this evening isn't looking too good for exercise. So you got to get it done when you can. No excuses. No excuses. I could have absolutely done something at the house on a treadmill. The miles wouldn't have counted. A little water never hurt nobody. Little rain never hurt anyone. Had a sick workout this morning. I may have already said that, but a nice 2 a day. A nice 2 a day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, because day 25 is done. Check it off the list. Great work. Thank y'all so much for showing up.